Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Binance account access from your Gmail or Google account in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Google account. First, go to Google and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select Manage your Google account. Step 2. Go to Security Settings. Once inside your Google account settings, click on the Security tab from the left-hand menu. Step 3. Manage third-party access. Now, scroll down to the section called All Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Click on Manage Third-Party Access. Step 4. Remove Binance. Here you'll see a list of apps connected to your Google account. Find Binance in the list, click on it, and then select Remove Access. Confirm when prompted. That's it. You've successfully removed your Binance account from Gmail. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials from How to Mastery. Let me know if you want a shorter or Urdu version as well.